Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name, then choose iCloud to view sync options and storage status. If iCloud syncing shows paused, check your device is connected to Wi-Fi or a stable cellular data connection right now. Confirm you have enough iCloud storage by viewing Manage Storage, free up space, or upgrade your plan if needed. Also ensure low power mode is off and that iCloud Drive and relevant app toggles are enabled in settings now. Force close the app that is not syncing, then reopen it to trigger iCloud syncing processes on your device. If the problem persists, sign out of your Apple ID, wait 30 seconds, then sign back in to refresh tokens. After signing back in, enable iCloud Drive and the affected apps and check that sync resumes within a few minutes. As a last resort, restart your device, ensure latest iOS or iPad OS is installed, and retry syncing afterward if necessary. Keep your device updated by enabling automatic iOS updates in settings, which helps maintain consistent iCloud compatibility and sync reliability. Monitor iCloud storage regularly. Set alerts for low space and remove large backups or redundant files when necessary to prevent. Use stable Wi-Fi when uploading big files and avoid low power mode during major backups to prevent pauses and interruptions. Consider upgrading your iCloud plan if you frequently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.